setup is stupid. Look at all these fights, bro. These are art. This is art, bro. Right? I left my phone in my car. Fucking vipers and shit, bro. Jojo Car is back with another video, man, and today we are actually in Boston right now. Now we have this Volvo right here. Oof, this motherfucker is it's looking nicer than I expected. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not even gonna cap. This car low-key looks good as hell. And it's a nice, it's low-key a nice car. Not even gonna bap, not even gonna lie. We could start with trunk space. I got my sweater in there. This is obviously a rental, but it has decent trunk space. You know, all this space right here, decent, bro. This is a decent overall car. Not even gonna lie. A lot of technology. It has about like 315 horsepower. Shit's kind of heavy, but like I'm pretty sure this is a luxury car. Here, let's go in here a little bit. You guys see that damn display? That's just nice as hell, yo. And then everything in here, bro, everything is nice. You know, you guys see all my stuff. That is not an extra screen. That's my phone. But yeah, dude, like everything is nice. I'm gonna go more in depth with it. But let's start actually with the hood. I actually struggled to find that. I don't know why, but I struggled to find that a little bit. So let's start with the hood. See what's under there. I'm pretty sure the latch is right here. This is a V6 NA. So yeah, this thing pushes, bro. 315 horsepower. I don't really know much about Volvos or anything. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I'm not gonna lie to you one bit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all one bit. I don't really know much about Volvos, but yeah, we're driving it. It's fun. It's a nice car, like overall. So I mean, there's a look at everything, and I guess we could get like a startup and everything. I'm gonna do a drive, but when you first walk in, like, dude, like, look at this. You got wood. I mean, obviously it's because it's a luxury car, so yeah. So this is actually how you start it up. So you have to be on the brake. So I am on the brake, and yeah, you guys see that. So everything just started up just like that. I don't want to play my music, so hold on. Not trying to get copyright, but yeah, this car is decent as hell. You guys see this sunroof? Okay, now we got a whole touchscreen panel or whatever. You could swipe right. You guys see all these damn options, right? Okay, this is like one of the best features for me. The rear sun curtain. Well, not best features, but like it's hella cool. You just click that, and then it goes up. That shit is cold. That is cold to me. You just click it, and then go back down. I don't really know how to use anything else on this. Yeah, you can look at the back camera. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, you could zoom. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm just clicking shit. So let's go back. Let's see if there's any. I don't think there's really anything else. We have heated seats right there. Obviously, I don't want that on. But everything is like right here, you know, in front of you, and it's pretty easy to fuck with and mess around with. But overall, like, this car looks nice as hell. Has a lot of space. Like I don't know. I feel just honestly comfortable as hell just being in here. You know, this is a really nice car, and I love this display. Let's see. I'm gonna rev it a little bit. love the display, and we're gonna do a POV, so point of view drive. But let's just look at this. This is like, you know, I'm driving it obviously, so I have all my stuff in there. Has this decent amount of space. Got my keys in there. You know, you got the USBs, ports, all that. You got C in there. Honestly, everything, you know, everything's pretty cool. Like, you know, kind of normal, like a normal car, but like everything is really cool. And I low-key really like these bolstered seats. Look at this. Like these are just sport ass seats. Now, one thing I did not notice, since I don't sit in the back, this, look, they got heated seats in the back. They have heated fucking seats in the back, and this is a whole fucking touchscreen panel in the back. And these are bolstered too, you know. And then another thing with the sun, the what's it called? Those things. You can put that up also. Put them down. And then you got the window, obviously. But we're gonna put all that up, I guess. And then you got the sunroof. This is a huge sunroof, double sunroof. And then obviously it has the sun thing, but I'm not even gonna put that up because I like having, you know, a bunch of light. I like light, you know. So we're gonna be messing with that. So yeah, this is basically gonna be a point of view drive. I don't think I'm missing anything else, you know, much. You know, we got lights, LED lights in there, open everything, and you got an SOS button. I mean, there's like nothing really much to it, but overall, like, this car has been pretty decent. And like, if you know by now, I drive the G. So coming from the G, this car is like real decent, and like I've been chilling with this car, so like I've really had no complaints whatsoever. What? Out here beeping and shit. So I'm actually out in Boston right now, Boston, Massachusetts. I love driving in manual, so come on, bruh. But this is like a one-way, and you know how that works. Trying to get out the way. There's a ambulance right here, so you gotta see it all. But this mug does have some push to it, like it has some push to it. No bap. No bap. So yeah, that just gives you, I'm gonna try to find a spot where I could, you know, drive around more, because like these streets are low-key like all crammed as fuck, bumpy as fuck. You gonna see this right now. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Look at this shit, G. So I'm gonna try to find a better street to get like a POV, point of view drive or whatever. I actually didn't show the modes with the drive modes and whatnot. Obviously I wasn't driving, but you gotta click that down, and then that's when you could switch into, like, you know, dynamic mode, individual mode, comfort mode, eco mode or whatever. Ooh, I'm so sorry, this motherfucker's behind me and shit. Anyways, but yeah, so you could do all those modes or whatever. And yeah, like overall, like this car is honestly easy as fuck to drive, obviously. Smooth as hell. So I mean, like I'd say I really fuck with it, not gonna lie. But yeah, I've been driving this for what, about a day now, and I have no problems with it. Like, this display is really nice. Fucking mopeder. But like I said, I'm gonna try to get you guys a better, you know, view of me driving, the point of view drive. So stay in tune to the rest of everything. I don't think I have really anything else to show, so yeah. Oh, come on, bruh. Go. You see all the shit that's happening? This is what I mean. Like, I can't do a point of view and I get caught at a light. cause of shit like this, and you get to go, but I don't because your bitch ass got in my way. You know what I mean? But it's cool. It's cool. That just kind of blew me, but it's okay. But stay into the video, and see what I do, I guess, cause gotta get that point of view drive for you guys, like more of a point of view drive. But this thing is honestly smooth as hell. Like, you know, everything's smooth. I have like no complaints. I'm actually shocked because I don't know. I don't think I've ever really driven a Volvo before. So it's like, you know, like different, and it's interesting. It just feels like luxury, I guess you could say. So it's like a real cool luxury chill car, I would say. So if you are in the market for looking for one, then I would low-key recommend it. Like, if you know, if you're a person who has the money for it, obviously, and like basically, I don't know, use this for work or, you know, chilling. This is really nice car. It's traffic everywhere, bro. See, like I can't do this Boston shit, bro. I need to get back in my Chicago, like, cause like, bro, this just not it. I'm gonna tell you guys, not like now, this just not it. But I know I said this multiple times, but stay tuned. We finna get that POV for you guys. So we'll be right back. See another light. Here goes a little pull for you guys. Okay. Decent as hell, like, you know. Now shift. Yes, sir. Decent as fuck, yo. Oh no, we'll be back after we see. That's hella traffic, so I can't even get you guys a good POV, you know what I mean? But at least we got a pull for you guys, you know. Now the nice cars are out. I've yet to see like a bunch of nice cars out here and shit, so yeah, I guess we're trying to find that too, but I've yet to see that. A lot of them at least. Oh, I guess we could get a pull right here. I don't know if you guys can hear that. So I wish this had paddles though. Like that's what kind of pisses me off. Like paddles are not expensive or anything, especially like this day and age. Paddles are not expensive whatsoever. I'm just wondering, like, if y'all gonna spend that much on a fucking whip, like, why don't y'all have paddle shifters? Like, what is the reason? Like, you feel me? Like, that's just my opinion, you know. So I guess that's my point of view on this shit. But other than that, like, I have really no other complaints. Like, this is like really comfortable car. Like I said, I'll say this again, I love this digital display, and you know, like everything that it just has, like, I don't know, it's just, oh, the screen's a decent size. Like, look at my hand. Whew. Oh man. So y'all just see me messing with the manual mode at this moment right now. So yeah, and I'm knee driving. I'm just messing with it at this point. Yeah, and it actually does have 7 gears. That's something oh, actually 8. What the fuck? I didn't even know that. I swear I've been going through the damn gears all day, and I thought I had 7. Interesting. Maybe I wasn't going fast enough to go get to 8, but I guess it has 8. Y'all seen it here. Y'all seen it here. I can't bullshit y'all, you know. I can't lie to y'all if y'all seen it. So, but yeah, this car overall, like, nice as hell. Like, yeah, y'all don't hear any noise. Turn the sunroof open. I just love having the sunroof open. It's just comfortable, you know, central air and shit. But yeah, I don't want to really bore you guys too much. So I guess that's like kind of the end of the video. I guess we kind of went over most of the things about this car. But I guess like now I'm just gonna ride off to the sunset or whatever. But if you did like this video, please help me by subscribing. I don't have my G37 right now because it's obviously in the shop. If you kept up with all my content, you would know that. But if you haven't, subscribe and, you know, watch some of my videos. Hopefully, you know, you like some of my videos and you like this video. If you, you know, fuck with me, fuck with the gram, Vandalize G. I could put it up there or something, or in the description. Subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna say that again. JoJo Cars, subscribe. Please subscribe, because I will be doing a lot more. I have a lot more stuff planned, especially after I get my car back. So I just need all you guys' help. I guess we could do one more pull before. Of course, it's a yellow light. That was just. But yes, sir. This car is not bad at all. So nothing really left to say. JoJo out.